Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance convert feature. So I just log into my account of officially Binance. So I will just move in the top left corner, bottom is home icon. So just tap on it and here you will see in the top dashboard feature is convert. So just tap on this convert option. So here you will see you can just select it USDT or which you want to convert in currency BNB. So example, I will just have $10. So this will convert in BNB. You can also in convert in BTC. You will just select it any coin. So if I will have $10, so it will be shown the converted balance of BTC. So if I example I have 100 USDT, so it will be convert again in BTC. You will see. So this is the basically use of convert. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.